In the design library, the context toolbar, which is the second toolbar, uses the showing dropdown as a way to filter the designs that you see in this window. So if you want to see the most designs, click on All Embroidery Files. This will show all of your hatch files, all of your machine files. If you only want to see your EMB files, you can select this one. If you also have other all-in-one design files, such as the ones from the Artista program and the Janome software, then you can choose this one. Now, if you only want to see your machine files, that would be like PES and DST and all of those, then you can click on this one. So if I select this one, we'll see that we only see these two. These are actually cross-stitch files. And if I choose Will Come Cross-Stitch, you can see that those also show up. But if I choose something like Jeff, then I don't have any. Right now we are in the Hatch Embroidery folder. Now let's see what else we can see. We can also see artwork files. And we can see that there are 2 JPEGs in this folder. Now if you come into your design library and you don't see any designs, or maybe the last time you looked for Jeff and now you're looking for something else and you see nothing, make sure that up here you have something selected that will show it. So it's recommended that you leave this at All Embroidery Files. And that way you'll see everything. So if you're not seeing what you expect to see, make sure that you're in the right folder. So you'll have multiple folders as you start using Hatch. You can see that in my designs I have a lot of folders. Another thing to look for is to make sure that there's nothing in here in search that will restrict what you see. We'll talk about using search in a future lesson.